Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to show you how to unlock the 90 FPS Patagons mobile game in the Realme X8 Max device. Yes friends, I have been searching for this kind of trick to find out in this device to play at 90 FPS in this phone. The main reason is because the Realme did restrict the 90 FPS in this device after a couple of software updates. So we were able to get only 70 FPS maximum in this device. But finally there is a trick which will be really helpful for a lot of other users to play at 90 FPS. And I did upload the video as well, FPS drop test. You can check out that video if you want to know FPS drop test as well. Right now I'm trying to show you exactly how to use this kind of trick and how it's gonna work as well. This trick doesn't require any GFX tool, no config file, nothing is required, and your account also will not get banned. So that's kind of 100% sure, because a lot of users they did ask me this kind of question, that account getting banned or not. So using this kind of trick, account will not get any ban. So this is just only the manipulation we are trying to do for the Realme UI to avoid that 70 FPS. So right now as you can see, so we are getting only 70 FPS right at this moment. So it's not going above 70 as you can clearly see. So the Realme did restrict right 70 FPS. Now what you're gonna do is that go to the graphics settings and try to use the 90 FPS in the lobby and the compact always. As you can see, try to change them to, if it is in the extreme, try to change to the 90 FPS, change it. And this trick, a couple of subscribers they did comment under my video as well. That's how I got to know this trick is working. So thank you for all the users who did comment under my videos. So I cannot name them because there are so many names which they did mention about this kind of trick. So after selecting 90 FPS, you need to go to the logout and you need to just log out the complete account. So once you log out, so try to log in again. So by using Google Play account or maybe Facebook account, but for me I'm trying to use with the Google Play. So that's how it's gonna work for me. It's working. So right now I'm not closing any game. So don't close the game at all. And one more thing, try to disable this orientation, try to enable orientation lock, because once you change the orientation of the game, the 90 FPS will immediately drop to 70 FPS. So make sure to lock the orientation while you're gaming. So that's how that trick gonna work. Right now as you can see friends, once after the successful login you will be able to get that 90 FPS. As you can see right now I'm getting 90 FPS, and if you don't touch the screen the FPS will decrease to 60 FPS. That's automatically it will try to decrease, but overall I was able to get 90 FPS in the Realme X8 Max without config file, without GFX file, no set edit application, nothing is required. You just need to log out and log in with a Google Play account or maybe Facebook account. But for me Google Play account works successful without any kind of problem. But always remember guys, try to enable this orientation lock, because if you don't enable that, if you try to rotate the phone, immediately when the game rotates the FPS will decrease to 70 FPS. So make sure to check that thing first as soon as possible. So for me as you can see friends, right now it's working successful. And if I need to close the game and open the game again, it doesn't work. You need to repeat this kind of process every time you open the game. That's something you should know if you want to play at 90 FPS. But it feels kind of pretty smooth. So definitely I can feel the difference from 70 to 90 FPS overall. But this trick is working 100% without any kind of account getting banned, nothing at all. Just a small kind of trick, because previously if you remember, if you are the old user of Realme X8 Max, I'm not sure whether you remember or not, decreasing the brightness, it used to work. If you try to go to the home screen and open the game again, it used to work in the beginning, but later they changed. Same thing right now I'm trying to do. This is another trick. So let me know in the comment section below friends, how many of the users this kind of trick is actually working for them. I just want to know. So is it working for everyone or not about this kind of trick? So let me do disable this orientation lock and show you what happens now if I try to rotate the game. Because right now you're getting 90 FPS successfully, right, without any kind of problem. As you can see 90 FPS, 89 it's maintaining. So after a long time I was able to play in this device. So if you rotate the game, right now it decreased to 69. As you can see friends, clearly 69 it became right now. That's the reason I'm trying to mention, do not rotate the game once after you set everything. So right now I'm getting 70 FPS only. As you can clearly see friends. That's it friends, thank you for watching this. How you can actually get the 90 FPS working in this Realme X8 Max device without any kind of GFX tool or config file. no account getting banned tensions, nothing at all. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates. Until then, bye.